Welcome to the teacher table, sound word, build, and write station. So we're going to pretend that we're at Miss Bonnie's table and we're writing our words after we build them. So you will need your 26 letters that you can move around and manipulate just like Miss Bonnie. If you have magnet letters, awesome. If you don't, have your parent write them down, all lowercase, and then cut them up into 26 pieces and set them up just like this. And you will also need a piece of paper where you can write down your words, just like we do in class. Okay, we're going to start with the word take. T-A-K. See if you can build it before me. What letter do I need first? T-A-K. I need a T, an A, K. It can be C or K, but it's K. And then I need the letter E, silent E. Build yours and then write it. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to write my word nice and neat. And if you have elementary paper, parents, that's awesome. If you don't have elementary paper with big writing lines, that's okay. I'm showing you how you can do it on regular college ruled paper so that they can practice writing in the size that makes them feel comfortable. So writing too small is not comfortable for them. They're still writing their letters rather large. So this is how we'll do it today. Okay, boys and girls, our next word. We've got to break it and change it. The next word is lane. Lane. L-A-N. Which letters do I need to break away? That's right. I need to break away the T and I need to break away the K. And what letters will go in its place? L-A-N. That's right. I need the L. L-A-N. Lane. That's right. I spelled it. Let's spell it together. L-A-N-E. Read it. Lane. Now let's write it. I'm going to write it nice and neatly under the word take, starting from the top. Make a C to make an A. Make a line down, come back around, and E. Go out the window and around the neighborhood. Now, we're going to make it, break it, change it again. We're going to change it into mine. Mine. That's our other spelling word this week. And the vowel has changed. So pay attention to the vowel sound. Mine. So I'm going to move my L. And what will go in its place? M. That's right. I-N. Mine. What vowel do I need? Remember, the vowels are my red letters. A-E-I-O-U. That's right, I. So I'm going to build it into mine. Let's spell it together. M-I-N-E. Mine. Did you build it before Miss Bonnie? Good job. Now we're going to write the word mine. Are you ready? Grab your pencil. Let's hold it. And we're going to write mine. Remember, our M only has two humps. Down, up, up. I. Don't forget to dot your I. N, E. Out the window and around the neighborhood. Now, boys and girls, we're going to change it. Are you ready? We're going to change it to dive. D-ive. D-ive. That's right. I need to move my letters back, and I like to keep them in alphabetical order so I can find them quickly. Are your letters in alphabetical order? What is alphabetical order? It's the order of our alphabet in the ABC song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. All right, boys and girls, our new word is dive. D-ive. That's right, I need a D. Good job. I could hear you from here. D-I-V. V. What letter says V? It's the V. Let's spell it together. D-I-V-E. Read it. Dive. Good. Let's write it. Now, when I make my D, I must make a C first. First, I make the C, then I make the line to make my D, and then I'm going to make my I, my V, and then my E. Out the door and around the neighborhood. All right, boys and girls, the next word is bone. Bone. B-own. I need to change quite a few letters. Let's figure out which ones I need to change. I'm going to point. B-o-n. That's right. I have to change 3 letters. Let's break them away. So put your letters back with me as I put my letters back. Okay? Bone. B-own. That's right. I need to move my B, I need to move my O, and I need to move my N. N. B-own. And we know it's a silent E because this makes the O say its name. That's just one job of silent E. We're going to be talking about more jobs of silent E as we continue to learn, because that's not the only job it has. We've talked a little bit about the other jobs. B-O-N-E, bone. And now we write it. When we draw a B, we do not start with the C. We start with the line. There is no C to make a B. I then make the hump. And then I make my O. And then I make my N. And then I make my E. Boys and girls, some of you are still writing your E from the bottom to the top. We do not write our E from bottom to top. We write it out the door and around the neighborhood. Did you write your E? Good job. Our last word today, because we are practicing all long vowel words this week. So after this next word, you're going to hit pause and you're going to go again tomorrow to finish the video for tomorrow's words. Our next word is cove. K-ove. K. That's right. I need to break the B. Did you break your B? O. Do I keep it or break it? I keep it. V. Definitely not the N. It's a V. K-ove. Now it could be C or K, but cove is spelled with a C. So let's spell it together. C-O-V-E. And what does that spell? Cove. We built it, we read it, and now we write it. Here we go. I make my C, I make my O, I make my V, and I make my E. Out the door and around the neighborhood. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words written down. Normally when we're at the teacher table, we only do 4 words. But because we're learning from home, I went ahead and did 6 words. Now, I want you to stop the video. And then we are at 9 minutes and 58 seconds. 10 minutes. Stop the video and tune back in tomorrow. Okay, boys and girls, we are going to create the word cube. 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 That's right. I need the vowel U. Good job. Cube. Did you build the word cube? Let's spell it. C-U-B-E. Cube. Let's write it. These are my words from yesterday. I hope you paused the video and rebooted it up today. The word is cube. C-U. When I make my B, I do a straight line down, come back up and make a bump. And E. Out the door and around the window. Around the neighborhood, not the window. That would be silly. All right, boys and girls, we have to break it. Are you ready? The word is rude. 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 That's right. I need to move this letter. I need to put it back. By C. By B. Rude. Get there before I do. What letter is it? Move it, move it. And here I go. Did you beat me? Here we go. R-U-D-E. Rude. Now I'm going to write it. Write it with me. R-U-D. When I make my D, I must make a C first. Then I make my line. And E. Out the window and around the neighborhood. Miss Bonnie's writing with one hand, not two. Normally I use my hand like this to hold the paper, but I can't because I'm holding the camera. So my R and my U look a little weird, but that's okay. All right, boys and girls, our next word is ride. Ride. Huh. Ride. How many letters should I break? That's right. I only need to break the U, so that's only one letter. So what letter goes in its place? R-I-D. That's right. The I. Spell it with me. R-I-D-E. Ride. Now let's write it down. Are you ready? Say, I was born ready. We're going to make the R, the I, the D by making a C first and then the line, and then my E out the door and around the neighborhood. Ride. Okay, next word is fake. Fake. F-A-K. F-A-K. That's right. I need to move a lot of letters here. I need to move 3. So I'm going to move my R, break it away, break away my I, break away my D, and I'm going to leave my silent E because all of my words this week are silent E, just like last week. It's a very important skill. Ready? F-A-K. Aha! My F. Which vowel do I need? F-A-K. The A. Good job. K. Now, K could be C or K, but it's K. Let's spell it together. F-A-K-E. Did you build it? Now let's write it. And here we go. Remember, when we make our F, we always start at the top, not the bottom. And then we go down. Don't forget to cross your F. Your A is made like a C and then a line. K, straight down. We go in, out. And then E is out the window and around the neighborhood. and then we come back. Now, boys and girls, these are our words this week. We had take, lane, mine, dive, bone, cove, cube, rude, ride, fake. That's all of our words from this week. Yesterday, we did up to cove, and today we did for. Now, I want you to practice writing sentences. So, boys and girls, I want you to write one dictated sentence today, and then I want you to stop the video and then resume the video tomorrow for your time, okay? So, our dictated sentence is, I can take a ride. I can take a ride. How many words are in that sentence? I can take a ride. 5 words. Remember, we need to start with a capital I. So write it with me. Capital I. I need a finger space. Can. Finger space. Take. Finger space. A. Ride. And what do I need at the end of my sentence? I need a period. That's right. I always have to have punctuation. Punctuation, 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 punctuation. Let's read it together. I can take a ride. Take has a silent E. Does your take have a silent E? Does your ride have a silent E? Take has a long A sound. So what I want you to do, I want you to grab a crayon just to remind yourself that A is a long A and I is a long I. Remember at my teacher table, a lot of times I'll go like this. And I'll say, the E makes the vowel say its name. The E makes the vowel say its name. It's not tack, it's not rid. It's take and ride because the E's job is to make the vowel say its name. Let's read our sentence again. I can take a ride. Good job. Our next dictated sentence today is, the lane is black. The lane is black. How many words? The lane is black. 4 words. I know I have to start with a capital letter, so I'm going to write, the lane is black. The, finger space, lane, is black. Black. 2 letters, 1 sound, CK, CK. That's a digraph. And then what do I need at the end of my sentence? I cannot have a complete sentence without its punctuation. Remember, you can't leave the house without your shoes. You must wear shoes to go outside, and a sentence is not complete without its shoes. Punctuation. Okay, let's read it together. The lane is black. Ah, we have a blend. Did you forget your L when you spelled black? Did you spell it with CK, 2 letters, 1 sound? And did you remember your silent E? Remember that the E makes the vowel say its name. The lane is black. Good job. Great work today, boys and girls. This was Thursday's work. Tomorrow we will have a spelling test on the computer on Spelling City. Don't forget to take your spelling test. Bye, boys and girls.